Hi, this is Naina with you from Radio Olive 106.3 FM, and right now we're at Safari Mall Hypermarket, and we are here because there are some amazing festivals going on that I'm going to tell you about. So after showing my ehtaraz, maintaining all safety precautions and maintaining social distancing with even my camera person, right now I've just taken off the mask for a few minutes so that I can tell you all about the festivals that are happening here. So we're going to start with the My Kitchen Festival. In the My Kitchen Festival, there are some amazing kitchenware that we're going to show you about and a lots of prizes to win. But along with that, there is also the Cycle Carnival and Toys Festival that is happening, and there is also the Book Exchange Fair. So we're going to take everything and tell you all about it. For that, keep watching. The first thing that we're going to start with is the My Kitchen Festival, and in the My Kitchen Festival, as you can see, there is amazing offers going on all types of kitchenware. There is Tefal, there is Prestige, there is KitchenMaid, and there is Pyrex. All these amazing brands that are going to give you some great offers on all of your kitchenware, and I can already tell you that there's quite a lot of things that you can get back home for yourself. But along with this, you also get to win prizes here. So if you buy for 25 Qatari Riyals, you have the opportunity to win the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that's the first prize. But also there is a second prize of Samsung QLED TV of 65 inches, and the third prize, which is an Apple MacBook Air, and finally fourth prize of 15,000 Qatari Riyals worth of purchase vouchers from Safari. So make sure that you're coming here and grabbing quite a few things. I am actually thinking of grabbing quite a few Tefal special kitchenware that is right here, but I'm sure you're going to have a lot of options. Guys, as you're seeing around, the My Kitchen Fest has already started here at Safari Hypermarket, and I just want to remind you guys that this is here only till 8th of May. So come and buy the perfect kitchenware at great offers. I'm going to tell you right now about the Cycle Carnival and Toys Festival. Now, as you guys know, this is the COVID pandemic time, and for that, Safari Hypermarket is trying to make sure that you take good care of your health. And for that, cycling is a great hobby. So what you can do is you can come here, and in the Cycle Carnival, you can get great brands like Rodeo, like Hummer, like Action, like Philips, and all these bicycles are available for you at great offers. Also, if you come here and buy Action and Rodeo select models, then you can also get a smart hand watch free. So right now we are at the Toys Festival section of Safari Hypermarket, and I'll tell you what, here is a place where you can get some amazing toys for your kids. As you guys know that this is also the time when there's only 30% of attendance in schools. So make sure that you make good use of this particular time with your kids. Bring them together, come here and shop at a time when you can, during weekdays, you can actually come and practice social distancing and have a nice and safe shopping experience here at Safari Hypermarket. All of these offers are running here right now. The festival is going on right now. So come as soon as possible so that you can have the best offers and discounts. As it is also the time of offers and festivals here at Safari Hypermarket, it's also the time for sharing because it is a kind of charity. So right now happening here is also the Students Book Exchange Fair 2021, where you can come here and exchange your books, keep one book and then exchange it with the other. Make sure that you come with your children and do this little bit of caring for others as well. While there are so many offers and such a great carnival going on for you here at Safari Hypermarket, do not forget that there is also the chance for you to win 25 Nissan Sunny cars. So all you have to do is you have to come here at Safari Hypermarket, go to the nearest one that is around your house, and over there buy for 50 Qatari Riyals. You get an raffle coupon and you might just become lucky and win 25 Nissan Sunny cars. So go there, win and have a great time shopping, because Safari Hypermarket is the place where the world comes to shop, and that too safely. This is Naina for you, and I just want to say before going, come shop, have a great time, and Jio Bindas.